Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is your host, O'Shea Lennox, here at O'Shea Lennox, the hobbyist. I don't think I put that in my other videos. I'm going to have to watch out for that. Anyway, I have another beautiful knife here for you. This particular knife is called, it's nicknamed, well, the nicknames is the grandfather knife. Because this is the knife that you seen your grandfathers or your dads have when you were growing up back in the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. And this is a beautiful knife to me. I think wood handle. And the name of this knife is called BARLOW. Blades look good. Got a drop point. I have a drop point blade right there. I think that's a drop point blade. If I'm wrong, correct me in the chat. And that is a point blade. So it's a dual blade knife. Beautiful spine on it. Excellent spine. This knife is hard for me to open. Now, I'm going to flip it up on the other side. Got BARLOW. But now, I tried to look this knife up. I seen a lot of them like it, but I didn't see this specific one. Because there's no numbers identified on the blade that I noticed. Okay, I got to, let me zoom in. I get too close, that light hit it. See, I don't see any numbers, anything indicating what specific model it is. But yep, definitely a BARLOW. Now let's get some measurements on it before I forget. Now I'm not going to extend that long blade out because these blades are hard. This particular knife is hard for me to pull the blades back in. But disability and all that makes it. And I'm not finna risk cutting myself. But this knife is approximately 6 inches when that blade is extended out. All righty. That's it for this. Like, comment, subscribe, and go check out one of the other videos I have in there. And last but definitely not least, don't bury your talent. Matthew chapter 25, verse 14 through 30. Until next time, see you.